Hi, my name is Michael O'Connor. I'm the president of the Rolling Thunder Florida Chapter 5 here in Southwest Florida. We support veterans with Rolling Thunder. We do a lot of assistance work with them. Our main to publicize the POW MIA issue, to educate the public that many American prisoners of war were left behind in previous wars. We support many veterans organizations. We also support veterans' homes. Any veteran in need of assistance, whether it be medical, financial, we just do our best because these people, these servicemen and women, have given what they have given for the country, and we would like to pay them back for their service. I'm the first member of my family not to be in the service, but I was a police officer for 41 years in New Jersey. But every member of my family, going back, I could trace my family all the way back to, I have pictures of my grandfather in World War I. I have uncles and cousins, everybody was in the service. I happen to choose law enforcement at a young age, and that's where I stayed, but I've always been pro-service, and I just feel that we owe them a great deal of gratitude.
Mike, thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So, Lisa, why are you part of Rolling Thunder?
I'm not a veteran, but I'm from a family that's full of veterans, and I no longer have my dad or my brother who served, along with some of my other relatives. And so I support the mission